is the full video, and I'm so excited for my grandma's birthday. I'm Filipino, but I know English. But look, it's broken. So, we've been eating this because it's so my grandma's friend, my grandma is gonna give her friends this because she likes her friends a lot. So this is my table and Boba. I put it here because I'm not posting because I'm bored right now. Because I don't know how I'm gonna post some. I'm gonna post some videos and this is my my favorite part is when it's my birthday. So this is look. I've been making a lot of videos and this is my
nasal complex that penetrates each strand for up to 200% smoother in. That's safe, like
I'm low-back.
Ang gatas, pag 30 ka na, dapat
I'm low.
Adult Boost. Adult level gatas na may triple boost tulong sa immunity, energy,
So,
function for adult level na
I want so many stickers, but I like this. Momo stickers and sticker books that are so pretty kawaii. It's kawaii and want to pick. I've been wanting and my wallet. And this is my wallet. And this is my bag I made. And my tooth fall out because I don't know what happened, guys. So I'm not gonna end this, guys. So this is look. So my brother is sitting there and there's four Brian. We don't know what Do you know what English means? A poop. She said poop. And I'm gonna end this because it's getting low. This is now and I'm gonna climb sit at you. guys. Can you get out? Because this is my lane.
Kanta na.
I don't know what he's watching. It's crunchy, I know. This? What inside this chest? I want to open it. Maybe some diamonds, Frank. We've been watching some Anizala family videos, and I liked it, Spider-Man, and we saw Big Spider-Man. Fat Spider-Man. And he threw toilet paper on the table and broke. And Mila broke. Sorry guys, I didn't. So I'm gonna wear my shoes because it's too long. That's why now I'm taller now than my brother. She's in my neck. Frank. My brother is screaming loudly. And she said she has no money. That's sad. That's alright. And my bestie is sleeping. Right? Bye-bye. Vlog. Libre. Lola! Sige, huliin ka sa pulis.
Yung bayan kasi natin is capital provincial Caliga.
These guys.
Municipality of Lubuagan. At sa yung Lubuagan kasi naging capital.
It's so hot. Narinig niya sa malayo.
So,
So by now because it's so low. Nothing is low. Bye.